It's farmers market time. If you have shopped with us before, welcome back. If this is your first time to shop Oregon WIC's farmers market, welcome. Let's get started with what you need to know so you can go shopping. In this video, you will learn about the Oregon Farm Direct Nutrition Program, how to get the Farm Direct checks to help buy fresh, local fruits and vegetables, where the Farm Direct checks can be used, and when they can be used. And finally, we'll give you some tips for how to use fresh and seasoned fruits and vegetables. What is the Oregon Farm Direct Nutrition Program? The Oregon Farm Direct Nutrition Program gives families a little extra help buying nutritious foods, as well as some information on choosing and preparing fresh produce. The Oregon Farm Direct Nutrition Program provides checks to families that are eligible for WIC benefits and to limited income seniors. The checks can be spent throughout the summer on healthy fresh fruits and vegetables grown by local farmers. Women, infants at least 4 months old, and children up to 5 years old each get one booklet of checks to use throughout the summer. You can get your Farm Direct checks after viewing this video, answering the questions on your clipboard, and giving your clipboard back to the WIC receptionist. Where can Farm Direct checks be used? Farm Direct checks can be used at participating farm stands, farmers markets, and WIC farms. You'll know if farmers are participating in the program if they have this colorful program sign posted. You'll get a list of places that accept Farm Direct checks in Multnomah County when you receive your checks. You can also shop anywhere in Oregon where a program sign is posted. Farm Direct checks benefit local farmers. Participating farmers are paid the face value of Farm Direct checks. To them, it's like you're using cash. This increases their earnings and helps them to keep farming. The Farm Direct program brought almost $1.3 million into the hands of local farmers in 2016. Keeping local farmers in business is important to our communities, as well as to our health. What foods can be purchased with Farm Direct checks? Farm Direct checks can only be used for fresh, locally grown fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Organic products are allowed. Things that cannot be purchased with Farm Direct checks include hot foods and baked goods, dried foods and nuts, jams and honey, eggs, cider, meat, seafood, and cheese, plants and cut flowers, and fruits or vegetables not grown in Oregon like bananas, pineapples, mangoes, oranges, or lemons, even if they are offered by local farmers at farm stands or farmers markets. Why are these checks only good with local farmers? The program helps Oregon families support local farmers in rural communities. Produce at the supermarket most often does not come from a local farmer. Buying directly from the farmer means they get 100% of every Farm Direct dollar. When can Farm Direct checks be used? You can shop using your Farm Direct checks starting June 1st and going through November 30th. You may want to use them in June or wait until August or later when there are more options available. It's your choice. After November 30th, farmers cannot be reimbursed for these checks, and you won't be able to use them. If you haven't used your Farm Direct checks by the end of the summer and you don't think you'll be using them, please bring them back to the clinic so we can issue them to someone else who might be able to use them. Also remember to store your checks safely. Lost checks cannot be replaced. Tips for shopping with Farm Direct checks. Shopping at participating farmers markets, farm stands, or WIC farms is easy. Here are some tips for making it even easier. Tell the farmer you are using WIC Farm Direct checks. Use each Farm Direct check to buy the full amount of the check's worth of fruits and vegetables. You will not receive any cash back. You can use your own money or SNAP benefits if you want to buy even more. Get there early for the best selection of fruits and veggies. Farmers do sometimes sell out. Bring your own shopping bags or a basket. Shop all through the summer and fall. Different fruits and vegetables are sold each month. The best prices can be found at the height of each fruit or vegetable season when there is a lot available. And let your child choose a fruit or vegetable to try. Look for new things for you to try too. Now for a little nutrition education. Eating many different colors of fruits and vegetables promotes good health and protects against disease by providing vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and they can help manage weight. Blue and purple fruits and vegetables like blackberries, blueberries, eggplant, plums, and figs help reduce the risk of cancer, stroke, and heart disease. Orange and yellow fruits and vegetables like apricots, cantaloupe, carrots, and pumpkins help reduce the risk of some cancers. They promote heart and eye health and also improve immune function. Green fruits and vegetables like green grapes, honeydew melon, asparagus, broccoli, and leafy greens promote eye health and can reduce the risk of some eye problems. They also protect against some kinds of cancer. Red fruits and vegetables like red apples, rhubarb, cherries, strawberries, beets, and radishes help reduce the risk of some cancers. They also protect cells from damage and they promote heart health. White fruits and vegetables like cauliflower, garlic, onions, mushrooms, and ginger help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. They also help reduce the risk of stomach cancer and heart disease. Now it's your turn. Take a few minutes to finish the self-paced lesson activity on your clipboard. When you're done, take your clipboard to the WIC receptionist. Sign for the Farm Direct checks you will be given, and have fun shopping.